too, and I missed you.
I missed you too, Debs.
And y'all give it up, our little 13-year-old songwriter. This is Addie Bassock.
Hi everyone. So this song is
Say
called...
straight in your mic. Like when you go this way, we can't hear you.
Okay, I'll try. Yeah. So this one is called On the Way Out, and I wrote it because a lot of people think that when you're 13 you can't have a heartbreak, but
No, we actually have several 12, 13, 14-year-olds.
Yes, a lot. Yeah, and a lot of people though they think, oh, they can't. Their heart really doesn't get broken. So here it is.
Where you wanna go, but look at you now, you're all alone. You can say that you're sorry, but it's not working. You can say that you need me, but it's useless in the end. You just mess with my head. Oh, a smart boy like you better know right from wrong. Playing all those tricks and games got me broken for days. Now it's fine to say, don't let the door hit you, or your mama should have kicked you on the way out. Whoa. You could guess I've been crying on the phone. I won't deny it. The black mascara is on my face. I just won't hide it. There's nothing stopping me from exposing your petty ways. But I've got more class than you. That's our difference. But it's useless in the end. You just mess with my head. Oh, smart boy like you better know right from wrong. Playing all those tricks and games got me broken for days. Now it's fine to say, don't let the door hit you, or your mom should have kicked you on the way out. I should have known all those stupid, silly love songs never quite tell the outcome of love. But it's useless in the end. You just mess with my head. Oh, it's useless in the end. You just mess with my head. Oh, smart boy like you better know right from wrong. Playing all those tricks and games got me broken for days. Now it's fine to say, don't let the door hit you, or your mom should have kicked you. Don't let the door hit you, or your mom should have kicked you on the way out.
Great job, girl. Addie Bassock, Quinn Henley, and Clee Howard.
Thank you. Great crowd. Thank you.
All right, our last three songs of the night, y'all give it up for Dave Johnson, Derek Tallwater, and Katie Hara.